Customers use subnets primarily to segment a single, large network into smaller, more manageable logical networks. First, we will do a step-by-step walkthrough of the process in Prism Central. Then we will talk about some benefits subnets provide. In Prism Central, under Infrastructure, choose Network and Security. Under Subnets, click on Create Subnet, then name it. Choose the appropriate VLAN ID and hit Create. Your new subnet will appear here. If you want AHV to control the IP address assignments, click here and choose Nutanix or External IPAM. Now enter your network IP address and prefix, your gateway IP address, then hit Create. Here are some reasons you may want to manage your network with subnets: improved performance and reduced congestion. By breaking up large broadcast domains, subnets limit the amount of broadcast traffic flowing across the network. Subnet routes traverse a logical router, which minimizes latency. Enhanced security and isolation. Customers often use dedicated subnets for out-of-band management like IPMI, separating it from the AHV host and CVM traffic. Efficient IP address management subnetting allows for organized IP allocation, streamlined routing, and multi-tenancy. Subnets enable isolated routing domains, overlapping IPs across different tenants, and organized east-west traffic flow through transit VPCs. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.